So guys, for the first step, you want to go to the link which will be down below in the description to download the Java SE development kit. And now once we're on this, we're going to scroll down. You want to select Windows and you want to download the x64 MSI installer. You want to click on download. It's now going to start downloading. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been downloaded, you want to click on it. And now once we're on this, you want to click on next. This is the install location. You can change it if you want to. I'm just going to keep it the same. And then click on next. It's now going to start installing. If this comes up, you want to click on yes. Wait for this to load. And now once that's been installed, we can now close out of this. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in edit the system environment variables. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the system variables, you want to click on path. And now you want to click on edit. Now you want to go to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And now once we're on this, on the left hand side, you want to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find where you have Java installed. So for me, it's on my Windows drive, which is my C drive. Program files, Java, JDK 25. And you want to find the bin folder. Double click on bin. And then once we're in the bin folder, you want to copy the path. So you want to click right here, which will now highlight all of this. You just want to copy this. Right click on it and then copy. Now we're going to go back to here, environment variables. You want to click on new and you want to paste where you just copied right now. And then click on enter. And now you want to click on OK. For the next step, under system variables, you want to click on new. And now once we're here, for the variable name, you want to type in Java underscore home. All in capital letters, like how it is on my screen. And for the variable value, you want to copy and paste that path again. So just paste the path. But this time when you paste the path, you want to delete /bin at the end. So now for the variable value, it should be ending in JDK dash and then the number that you have. At the time of this recording, for me it's going to be 25. And now you want to click on OK, OK again, and OK again. And then that's how you do it.